Hi there, students. So what's the difference between an off day and a day off? Okay, a day off is a day that you're not working. So in many jobs, people have Saturday and Sunday off. Saturday and Sundays are their days off. But there are other jobs where the business is open 7 days a week. For example, a restaurant. And normally a chef might have their day off on Monday and Tuesday. So Tuesday is his day off. Day off. A day when you don't work. Whereas an off day is one of these days when everything goes wrong. I think they sometimes call this a bad hair day as well. An off day. So I'm having an off day. Things just don't seem to be going right. I'm not performing as well as usual. Yeah, I'm having an off day. I'm dropping everything. I'm forgetting everything. I'm making silly mistakes. I'm not concentrating clearly. Well, I think whenever I have an off day, I just have to do my best and hope it will go away. He's normally such a good tennis player, but he had a bit of an off day today, and he didn't play very well. Okay, so an off day is a day when things are going wrong. Yeah, you're not good at it on this day. Yeah, an off day where you're not doing things very well, where things go poorly. I guess you could have an off day, a day not working as well, but it's much more normal to say a day off when you're not working. Whereas an off day, yeah, things are they just don't work out. You're not up to your normal standard. Yeah, you're doing your daily routine, but well, things are just not working out. Okay, so an off day. And then a day off. A day off is a day when you don't have to work, yeah, or you don't have to do what you normally do. So I won't be in the office on Thursday. I'm having a day off. Or I asked the boss if I could have 2 days off next week. I had a day off in April. It was supposed to be my day off, yeah. When was the last time you had a day off? I haven't had a day off in years. So why don't you take a day off and enjoy yourselves and go and meet your friends or have a drink or something that's fun. So to have a day off, to take a day off, and then it's somebody's day off. So whenever it's my day off, I have to catch up with things like doing the shopping and things like that. I hope when it's my day off, I don't have an off day. Yeah, an off day is this day when things just go wrong. I really hate it when I have an off day. Today seems to be like one of my off days. Well, normally even if I have an off day, I do my best to make my videos and do my things. Yeah. So an off day, it's a day in which you're not performing up to your normal level, up to your normal ability. Yeah. I guess anybody can have an off day. We all have our off days from time to time. The day when you have a day off, though, that depends more on your boss. So, formality, an off day, a bad day, a problem day, a bad hair day. I think I'm going to give an off day for informality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal writing just about, and not in something formal. And a day off, I think 4.5 informality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing. Something very formal, probably I'd say a day when I'm not working. So yeah, an off day, you're off form, and a day off, you're off work. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. An off day versus a day off.